Everybody, Justin here, Prosperity Prospecting. Today's been a crazy day of odd projects, hoping that I get to run some material here in just a little bit. But I came in here this morning and it was almost 100 degrees in the shop. So I cleaned all the filters, cleaned all the cools. The birds had eaten all the insulation off the copper tubing, so I rewrapped all that, and it is blowing cold air now. It's 92 in here right now, so it is slowly but surely coming down, but it probably won't come all the way down till tonight. I did come in here and clean out the panning station. I just need to fill it up with water and some surfactant, and that station will be ready to go. I just took apart valve number 1. It should look like that, and I'm gonna stick this long screwdriver up in there as far as I can, see if I feel anything. I'm also gonna bring a power sprayer in here and try to spray up through the hole the other way to break loose anything that might be stuck in there still. So I got to get this Gold Strike going. It really slows me down when I don't have it. I need to clean out that entire station, which is a big time chore all in itself doing that. I ran the ball mill. We got a load of good material in there, and I also need to clean out the shaker table. So it kind of hit me all at one time where everything needs serviced and cleaned, but we're going to get that done. Hopefully we'll be running some gold here in just a little bit. See you guys then. Thanks. Okay, so I've got the panning station filled up, got some suds in it, it's ready to go. I did get the number 1 valve fixed. It's flowing better than it has in a long time, so excited about that. Wash the sluice all off, the buckets, the tank, and it's going to slowly fill up. It takes a bit. I can fill this one up. It's just about to go up and over the top of the kitty litter bucket and start filling up the tank. So what I'm going to do from this point is I will start running stuff through the Gold Strike, and in between feeds I'll start cleaning up the shaker table, so that we can still have a productive weekend. So I'll see you guys when we start running. Well, I'm definitely running out of time today, and we got a storm. It looks like it's going to hit us, but we got it filled up here, good to go, all put back together, ready to run. I'm excited to have that thing back up and going and running better than it has in a long time. I figured out what was going on. You can unstop it, run it for a second, but there's still some in there. So I actually ran about 150 gallons of water through it and got every speck out of it. I've got most of the water drained out of the shaker table. I have cleaned out the water leveling tubes. What I am going to do probably before I go in is I want to put some self-leveling silicone, roof silicone on there where it's a smoother transition there. I am glad I stopped running yesterday, because in the stuff that was in there, there's a lot of fine gold. So I'm going to have to run. I'm going to change the angle, pitch, and water flow on the shaker table, but then I'm also going to start running it through a clean out sluice after that. So anyways, just wanted to let you guys know where we finished up. Got to go back and get some more skin stuff burned off in the morning, but I'll be back at it tomorrow afternoon. See you guys then. Okay, so definitely this was the final project for the night. Getting closer to being able to have a big day tomorrow, I hope. I put self-leveling roof silicone there where it'll flow so much better as the precious metals come down and into the bucket. And then I gave the table a nice fresh coat of rubberized respray, and so it should be good and dry by the time I'm able to run tomorrow. And we're just going to keep on running as hard as we can. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for the comments that I got on the video about the pricing and what it takes to hobby load mine. I appreciate all that very much. So appreciate all that y'all do for the channel. Appreciate the friends that we are making as we grow this channel, and I look forward to the future with you guys. So I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.